So we have each card in a particular deck of cards contains a number denoting its value from 2 to 6 inclusive. The deck is made up of 4 cards of each value for a total of 20 cards. If 2 of these cards are chosen at random and without replacement, what is the probability that the sum of their values is less than 10? Express your answer as a common fraction. Well, the probability that they're less than 10 is also equal to 1 minus the probability that they're greater than or equal to 10, which equals 1 minus probability that they're equal to 10, plus the probability that they're equal to 11, plus the probability that they're equal to 12, and that's the highest possible value. So our goal is to now find the probabilities for each of these. The probability that is equal to 10. So we'll set our denominator to be 20 choose 2. We'll consider the pairs of cards that we've chosen unordered. We won't order them. So for our, if they're equal to 10, there's 2 ways. If we have 4 and the 6, then we can choose the 4 in 4 ways, choose the 6 in 4 ways, or we can have a pair of 5s, in which case there's 4 choose 2 ways to choose a pair of 5s, 6 ways. So there's 6 ways to choose a pair of 5s. So that means there's 22 possible ways for the value to be equal to 10. Next, the probability that the sum is 11, we only have 1 way to hit 11, which is with 1 5 and 1 6. There's 4 ways to choose the 5 and 4 ways to choose the 6. So we have 16 different values. Lastly, we have the probability that is equals to 12, and the probability that the sum of their values is 12. The only way that happens is if we have 2 6s, and so we have to choose a pair of 6s, 4 ways to choose the first, 3 ways to choose the second, divided by 2 because we're considering unordered pairs. So this equals to 6. And so in total, we have 44 different ways to get the value to be greater than or equal to 10. So 44 over 20 choose 2. This equals 4. This is the probability. The probability that's greater than or equal to 10 is equal to 44 over 20 choose 2, which equals 44 over 10 times 19, which equals 22 over 95. And this means that probability of less than 10 is just 1 minus that, which is 73 over 95. And so yeah, that's